Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 39724 Amberley Road, the Turnberry Estates, to Unit 5 for an alarm sounding. They're just requesting engine 1, code 1. That's 39724 Amberley Road, the Turnberry Estates, unit number 5, for some sort of alarm sounding. Chief is requesting engine 1, code 1, time of pages 16:34:35. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 39724 Amberley Road, the Turnberry Estates, in unit number 5 for an alarm sounding. They're just requesting engine 1, code 1. That's 39724 Amberley Road, the Turnberry Estates, unit 5, cross streets of Green Street and Kate Street. And that's just for engine 1, code 1. Time of pages 16:35:27.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham Station.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responded to Turnberry Estates for an alarm going off. Charlie +5 belted.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 on scene. Charlie be command to mobile.
That's Roger.
Dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, we had a combination smoke CR alarm that's been going off. We're going to send a crew in on air just to do air quality check.
That's Roger. You have a combination smoke seal alarm going off. We'll be sending a crew in on air to do a check. It's 16:49:20.
Go ahead. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show we have 0 readings inside the structure.
That's Roger. 0 readings inside the structure. It's 17:05:08.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show the home is being left for the property owner. Command is terminated. Engine 1 is returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger. Being left with property owner. Command terminated. Engine 1 returning at 17:07:15.